In this video, I am going to explain increment and decrement operators in C. So first, what is increment operator? Plus plus is called increment operator. Increment operator. What is the use of increment operator? It increases the value of the variable by 1 and it is a unary operator because it requires only one operand. So if you take the example int I equal to 10, then plus plus I or I plus plus, what does it mean? Plus plus I or I plus plus means that is I equal to I plus 1, or we can write I plus equal to 1. That means if I equal to 10 plus plus I or I plus plus means that is I equal to 11. It increases the value of the variable by 1. Similarly, what is decrement operator? So plus plus is called increment operator. Now what is decrement operator? So minus minus is called decrement operator. Minus minus is called decrement operator. Minus minus is called decrement operator. What is the use of decrement operator? It is used to decrease the value of the variable by 1. It is also a unary operator. Why it is unary operator? Because it requires only one operand. Int I equal to 10. If you use decrement operator, you can write minus minus I, or you can write I minus minus. What does it mean? That is I equal to I minus 1 or I minus equal to 1. By using certain assignment, we can write like this. So what does it mean? I is equal to I minus 1 means here I equal to 9. So what is the use of decrement operator? It is used to decrease the value of the variable by 1. So there are two types of increment and decrement operator. One is pre-increment decrement, another is post-increment decrement operator. So first we discuss what is pre-increment or decrement. Pre-increment or decrement operator. So pre-increment or decrement operator means in this case the operator is placed before the operand. Here, the value of the variable is incremented or decremented by 1, then the value of the variable is used. So, what is pre-increment or decrement operator? In this case, we place the operator before the operand. For example, int I equal to 10. So, if you write plus plus I, then in this case plus plus is the pre-increment operator. Similarly, if you write minus minus I, so in this case minus minus is the pre-decrement operator. So plus plus I means first the value of the variable is incremented by 1, then the value is used. So pre-decrement means first the value of the variable is decremented by 1, then it is used. So int I equal to 10. Pre-increment means plus plus I and pre-decrement means minus minus I. Suppose we consider j is another variable. If we write j equal to plus plus I, so what will happen? J equal to plus plus I means since it is pre-increment, as the value of the variable is incremented by 1. That means it becomes 10, it becomes 11. So now I equal to 11. So after incrementation of I, then the value is assigned by j. So j equal to 11. So in this case, as the value of the variable is incremented by 1, then it is used, that means j assigned 11. But in this case, what will happen? If you write j equal to minus minus I, here first the value of I is incremented by 1, first the value of the I is decremented by 1 means I becomes 9. So after that j assigns the value. So now I equal to 9, j equal to 9. So in this case, first the value of the variable is incremented or decremented, then the value of variable is used. Now, what is postfix or post increment and decrement operator? So, post increment decrement operator, post increment decrement operator. Post increment decrement operator means the operator is placed after the operand. For example, int I equal to 10. If you use post increment or decrement operator, you can write I plus plus or you can write I minus 1. Here post increment, here post decrement. If you take another variable j, suppose int j, then j equal to I plus plus or j equal to I minus minus. What does it mean? So j equal to I plus plus, j equal to I minus minus. In case of post increment or decrement, so what is the use of post increment and decrement operator? In this case, first the value of the variable is used, then the value of the variable is incremented or decremented by 1. So in pre-increment decrement, first the value of the variable is incremented or decremented by 1, then the value is used. But in this case, first the value is used, then the value of the variable is incremented or decremented by 1. So in this case, what will be the value of j and what will be the value of I? Here, j assigns the value of I first. So now j equal to 10. So what will happen for I? It increases the value of the I by 1. That means after assigning I value, it increases. So I equal to 11. So j equal to I plus plus, what does it mean? First the value of I is used by j, means j assigns the value of I, after that I increases. Similarly, j equal to I minus minus means first I value is assigned by j, that means j equal to 10, then the value of I is decreased by 1, so I equal to 9. So this is post increment or decrement operator. Now you see a program in C. Program to demonstrate the use of pre-increment or decrement operator used in an expression. Suppose we consider a program void main int I equal to 5, j is another variable, j equal to I plus 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 I plus 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 I plus plus. Now here, what is the value of I and what is the value of j? So printf I equal to percentile d and j equal to percentile d double quote over I comma j. So what will be the value of I and j? Since there is postfix increment operator, so first the value of the variable is used. That means here I equal to 5, I equal to 5, I equal to 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15, j equal to 15. Then what will be the value of I? After assigning the value, I increases. So it becomes 6, then 7, then 8. So here the output is I equal to 8 and j equal to 50. So in this case, the output is like this. Suppose we write the program like this. Here, instead of j, I write I. Suppose I equal to 5. This is a variable and I equal to I plus plus I plus plus I plus plus. If you write the expression like this, so what will be the value of I percent del d double quote over I? Here I plus 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 I plus plus postfix means this is 5, this is 5, this is also 5, because has the value of the variable is used. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. Now I equal to 15. So after assigning 15, it increases. since there are three postfix, so increases by 1. So this is 16, this is 17, this is 18. Now what will be the value of I? I equal to 80. So in this way we can use postfix increment operator. Now you see another example. What is the use of pre-increment operator? Suppose int I equal to 10, I equal to plus I plus I plus I. Then printf percentile or I equal to percentile d I. So what is the value? Now since their pre-increment has the value of the variable is incremented, so it is 6, it is 11, since it is 10, 11, then it is 12, then it is 13. 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 1 13. Now what is the latest value of I? 13. So 13 is substituted by all I. That means now we add 13 plus 13 plus 13, that is 39. So here I equal to 39. Thank you.